Yo, hello everybody. Today me and Maya got a review for you guys. It's a sock review. I've got these beautiful Parra socks. Very excited for these. Got some high expectations because this company is very proper, very nice indeed. Made in Japan, so that's good to see, and they're expensive as hell. Right now, I got these Carhartt socks on. Very beautiful, very nice. One of my favorite socks. I love the blue as well. You can go check out the review. I just did that recently. Definitely go check that out. I'll put that in the description. Super comfy. Yeah, you gotta get some good quality socks. It's worth it to spend the money. Don't go buying those big packs of those crappy brand name socks. Like, you gotta get the good quality stuff. I've gotten a few items by Parra. Like this shirt, so comfy. I love it. I got this very expensive, high quality wool blanket. I did a whole unboxing for that blanket itself. You can go check that out. I'll even put that in the description. The shirt's in the new unboxing. It's not out yet because I'm waiting on an item still. But yeah, okay, let's check these out. I have not tried their socks. Very excited to though. That's like I was saying. Oh, there's even purple on them. That's fire. The purple and then like this green. Oh, I thought it was like navy blue, but it's actually dark green. What's dark green? Like pine green or whatever. And then red. These are beautiful, especially for Christmas type vibe or just like winter. I love that color. Like Parra, the designs are honestly amazing. I really love this company. All their products are the highest quality and really unique, amazing designs. Like I just love the company and like, yeah, and you got a beautiful embroidery here. I always love embroidery. Embroidery is my favorite. Fuck print. Need that embroidery. Anything with embroidery, I just want it. Like, cause it'll last forever, you know? So we got this nice embroidery here. Then the striped print, which is actually, I think it's like, it's not like dot. It's actually like the woven material that's colored. Not even like just dyed. And then you got this beige off-white sock and it's so nice. They already feel so comfy just in my hand. Like, I don't even want to wear them. Like, I don't want to ruin them. They feel so comfy. Like, they feel pretty thick on the foot part. So like a nice, like thick, warm sock. And then like kind of thinner on the ankle. It's kind of tighter on the ankle, but then it looks like it's pretty nice and loose and open on the foot. So yeah, this looks like a very comfortable sock. I'm gonna have to try it on now, show you guys what it's like, and then I'll give you guys a rating, but I've already got high expectations. I think these are probably gonna be a 10. Like, I'm very excited. But socks, you never know. Like, my feet are sweaty, they're fat in all the wrong directions. I have flat feet. Like, all these issues that I have these big chunky legs, like all these issues that make socks not comfortable for me. So that's why I am a sock connoisseur. I gotta go out of my way to get the proper items, the proper vibes. So yeah, I've gotta put them on now. But I don't wanna, like, it's so pretty and like, I love the packaging too. Like, even just look at this, like, design for the text socks. Just like, even that is just so nice. Like the color coordinations as well for the text, the font, so cool. One pair of amazing, factual. And then there's like their classic Parra in the circle logo. All right, I'm gonna dive into this. Okay, let's try these socks on. Bloop. Take off my socks. I have socks with like the water the same. Oh, yeah, I'm not wearing them real quick. I'm not gonna get sweaty sneakers. I don't know right now. Like, my feet are too gross. Oh well, just for the video. Ooh, and they slip right on, and they fit. Oh, wow, perfect. Okay, I'm only putting one on. It feels very similar to the Carhartt sock. How it has like that form-fitting comfort and like that very like soft feeling and like how it's like tight to put on, but then it just like loosens up perfectly for your foot and then it's still a little bit tight on the ankle. I love that. And the embroidery with these colors looks so nice. And the off-white, you can see that beautiful stitching throughout. Love it. These are a 10 for sure. Definitely better than the Carhartts. Damn, it just like keeps getting better. I keep finding better ones. Oh my goodness. I wanted the Ralph Simon ones, but they definitely wouldn't have been as fire as these. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And boop. Maya. Tell the viewers to subscribe. She hears you. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. And preview at the end, just like usual. So yeah, put that in.